Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a PS5 randomly shutting off by itself. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to settings, then go to system, and then on system go to HDMI and make sure to turn off this option, right? And then go to power saving mode, then go to set time until PS5 enters rest mode, and make sure during media playback don't put to the rest mode. Make sure to select this option. Also while playing games, select this option as well. And then what you need to do here is to press PlayStation button and completely turn off your PS5, right? And after your PS5 is completely turned off, there should be no lights here. And then what you need to do here is to plug your controller with a cable. And once the light is gone, we'll show you what you need to do here next. Right, so light is gone. Just pressing all your power button until you get two beeps. So the first one, and we need to wait a second one. Second one, then I will switch to my PS5 screen here, and we will enter the safe mode, right? So again, we need to wait for a couple of seconds until safe mode is it loads up. Press PlayStation button. Then what you need to do here is to you can restore default settings. So this means your all settings will be on default, but you will not, your games or apps will not be deleted. You can do this. Then you need to clear your cache and rebuild database. Select this one. It will take from 5 to 10 seconds, and then you rebuild the database. Also take up to 5 minutes. And after that, you need to go to press update system software, and then update using internet, right? And look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, maybe you need to clean your dust on your PS5, and also always use your power cord that is on the here. Just plug your power cord directly to your electric sockets, right? And also it can be issue with the power cord, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.